Morning everyone. Today is 6:44 in the morning. This is the place where I live. Almost jungle. In the morning, you can hear the birds singing, the rooster cuckooing. Today looks like going to rain. I hope all is fine today. God bless us all.